last lecture we have to start it estimated question or rounding using the rounding. Okay, so today we are going to learn about adjusting questions. Okay, so sometimes when you estimate the question, you can find that the estimate is very high or very low. In this case, use adjusting question. Means if you solve the example, the quotient is means estimated quotient is very high, then use adjusting means adjust the quotient. Okay, so as you wish. So example, estimated quotient is very high, so adjust the quotient. Okay, orally. Okay, same in this case, low quotient, estimated quotient is low, then adjust the quotient as you are trying. Okay, so next example is 2759 divided by 34. So we know that the step number first, decide where to start. Okay, so here 34 is a divisor and dividend is 2759. So first decide where to start. Here 2-digit number is 27. So 27 is less than 34. So consider 3-digit number, that is 275. 275 is greater than 34. Therefore there are enough tens place, that is ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place. Okay, this is 27, that is 100 place. There are not enough 100. Okay, so go to the tens place, that is 275 is greater than 34. So there are enough tens place. Clear? Okay, so first there are enough tens place means first result of the quotient will be written above tens place. Got it? Okay, means first same procedure, only estimated quotient is very high, then adjust the quotient. Same in this case, estimated quotient is very low, then adjust the quotient. Okay, otherwise same procedure. Okay, so there are enough tens place, first digit of the quotient will be written above tens place. Okay, so first step, decide where to start. Okay, so here 34 and 275. So think here 34 275 means only consider first digit of the divisor and here first two digit of the divisor, means last not consider, that is 4 not consider, 5 not consider, means only consider 3 and 7 27. Clear? Means or 3 and 27 means 3 9s are 27. So 9 is very high, means 9, this estimated quotient is very high, so adjust the quotient. Got it? Okay, means adjust the quotient by trying the lower number. Okay, means try one smaller number. Okay, first here 9. So 9 check this, that is 34 is your divisor, 9 is a quotient. So multiply this. So 9 4s are 36, carry over 3, 9 3s are 27 plus 3. 306, but this is greater than dividend. Okay, but we have to find this product is always less than or equal to dividend, but here is greater, that is the estimated quotient is greater. So adjusting the quotient means by trying lower number. Okay, means the estimated quotient is very high. Adjust the quotient by trying adjust the quotient 9 is the estimated quotient is a very high. Adjust the quotient by trying lower number, that is 8. So 34 into 8 is equal to 272 and which is less than 275. Means your adjusted quotient is 8. Let's try 8. Is right. 34 8 are 272 and subtract this 5 minus 2, that is 3 and here 0. Okay, so 3 is less than 34. So next step is bring down, that is ones place. Okay, so next step number here decide, otherwise here, otherwise this step means first one is there are not enough 100. So go to the tens place, means 275 is greater than 34, means there are enough tens. Okay, so we know that 34 and 27. So here 3 9s are 27, means estimated quotient is very high. Okay, so by trying lower number or adjusting the quotient, so 34 into 8, that is 272 and which is less than 275, means 34 8s are 272 and subtract this 3. Okay, so borrow from this. Next, solve here. Bring down 34 275 9 minus 272 here 3 9 8 and we know that 34 is less than 39. Okay, so 34 ones are 34. We know that. Okay, so 34 ones are 34. Orally count this table of 34 up to 39. Okay, so 34 ones are 34. 39 minus 34, that is 5 and 34 is 5 is less than 34. That is 81 is your quotient and 5 is a remainder, and remainder is always less than divisor. Okay, means quotient is 81 and 5 is your remainder. Same procedure, only adjust the quotient. Okay, means estimated is quotient is very high or very low, then use adjust the quotient. Clear how to adjust quotient? The same procedure, only here adjust the quotient. Okay, so same example. Next, adjust the estimated quotient if needed. means जर गरज असेल तरच तुम्ही estimated quotient adjust करा, otherwise as it is. Okay, so question is adjust the estimated quotient if needed, then divide. means estimated quotient ची जर गरज असेल तरच adjust करा, otherwise same procedure. Okay, so example is first example 3116 divide by 45. Okay, 3116 divided by 45. Second example. This is example number first. Second, 389 divided by 90. Third one, 566 divided by 19. Fourth, 1502 divided by 24. Fifth one, 7137 divided by 38. Sixth, 6680 divided by 81. 711 divided by 81. And last one, 320 divided by 40. Okay, so solve example number first. Okay, so example number first is 3116 divided by 45. Okay, so using adjusting if we need it, otherwise use estimated quotient. Okay, so solution. where to start? Here 31 is a 2-digit number and 45 is a 2-digit number. Okay. So 31 is a less than 45. Means there are not enough 100 places. Okay. So go to the tens place, that is 311. Okay. So 45 is a less than 311, means there are enough tens. Okay. Means first 45 is a less than 311, means there are enough tens. Means first digit of the quotient will be written above tens place, that is written above 1. Clear? Okay, now solve this. First, decide where to start. Okay. So find out estimated quotient, that is 45. Here 3116. Okay. So think 45 311 means only consider first digit of the divisor and here not consider last digit of the dividend. Okay, that is or 4 3 1 1, that is 4 only 31. So count the table of 4 up to 31. 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32. Okay, means 4 7s are 28 and this estimated quotient is high. Okay, so by trying, so first multiply this number, that is 45 into 7, that is estimated quotient is 7. Okay, so 7 5s are 35, carry over 3, 7 4s are 28 plus 3, 3 1 5, which is greater than dividend. Okay, so try next lower number, that is 6. Okay, so 45 into 6. Okay, first 45 is divisor, 3100. 11 is your dividend. So only consider 4 and 31. Okay, so count the table of 4 up to 31. So 4 7s are 31. Sorry, 28. Okay, so estimated quotient is 7. Okay, so multiply divisor into estimated quotient, that is 45 into 7, 315. But which is greater than dividend. Okay, 311. So check lower number, that is 6. So 45 into 6, 6 5s are 30, carry over 3, 6 4s are 24 plus 3 217, which is less than 311. Means estimated quotient is 6. Clear? So 35 6 are 270. 1 minus 0 1. Cannot subtract from 7 1. So borrow from this 11 minus 7 4. 2 minus 2 0. Okay, so 45 is greater than 41. So next step is bring down. Okay, so step number 2. Divide. You know that this step, divide, multiply, subtract, and check. Okay, step number 3. Bring down. Okay. So next step. So 45 is as it is. 3160 minus 270 here. 41. Bring down 6. Okay. So think 45 divided by 41. So 45 divided by 416, or that is only 4 and 41. Okay, so we know that 45, 4 10s are 40. Okay, so this is estimated quotient is very high. So adjust the quotient by try lower number. Okay, so first 4 10s are 40. So first adjust. So already check 45 into 10, that is 450, which is greater than your dividend. Okay, so check lower number, that is 45 into 9 is equal to 9 5s are 45, carry over 4, 9 4s are 56 plus 4. 9 5s 45, carry over 4, 9 4 is 36 plus 4, 40, that is 405, which is less than 416. That means estimated quotient is 9. Okay, it's adjusted quotient. Means estimated quotient is very high, so adjust the quotient by trying a lower number. That is the 9. So 45 to 9 is equal to 405, and which is less than 460. Okay, so next quotient is 9. So 45 9s are 405. Is 11. 1 11. Therefore, the quotient is 69 and remainder is 11. This is your final answer. Clear? Just revise. First 45 divide by 3116. Okay. So first step, decide where to start. Okay. So first two digit consider 31. So but 31 is less than 45. So consider 311. That is the tens place. There are enough tens place. Okay. So 45 divide by 311. Okay. So only consider 4 and 31. So 4 7s are 28. So this estimated quotient is very high. So adjust the quotient by trying one lower number. That is 6. Okay. So 45 to 6 is equal to 278, which is less than 311. Okay. So estimated quotient is, adjusted quotient is 6. Okay. So remainder is 41. So 41 is less than 55. So bring down. That is 416. Okay. So find estimated quotient, that is 10. So 10 is estimated quotient is very high. So adjust the quotient by trying one lower number, that is 9. Okay, so 45 to 9 is equal to 405, less than dividend. Okay, so next quotient is 9. Solve this 11. So 11 is less than 45. So stop here. So 69 is your quotient and 11 is your remainder. Got it? Okay, now we see second example. Second, 389 divided by 19. This is easy example. Okay, so here 19 is divisor, 389 is a dividend. Okay, so 19 is a less than 38. Therefore, there are enough. This is ones place, tens place, 100 place. Okay, so tens place. There are enough tens place. Means first digit of the quotient will be written about tens place. That is 8. Okay, so here think 19 and 38, and we know that 19 twos are 38. Okay, this is the adjusted quotient or estimated quotient. Okay, so it's very low. 19 twos are 38. Means quotient is 2. 38 next. 38 minus 38 is equal to 0, and this is remainder is a 0. Okay, so 19 twos are 38. Okay, next bring down 9. Okay, next bring down, that is 9, and 9 is less than 19. Okay, means after a bring down the number is less than, after bringing down the number is less than divisor, then write the 0 in quotient. Okay, we know that after the bringing down the number is less than divisor, then write the 0 in the quotient. Okay, previous lecture we see this concept. Okay, so 19 here 9, so 9 is less than 19. So first write the 0 in quotient. Okay, and 9 is your remainder. This is less than 19. That is your quotient is equal to 20 and remainder is equal to 9. Check orally. 19 to the 280. 280 plus 9, that is 289 is your dividend. Means answer is your correct. Okay. So first just divide 19 divided by 38, that is 19 twos are 38. This completely divide by this number. Okay, so 2 is your question. So 9, so 9 is less than 19, means after bringing down the number, the less than the divisor, then first write the 0 in the quotient. Okay, so here 9 is less than 19, so here write the 0 in quotient. Okay, so 9 is a remainder and quotient is what? 20. Got it? Okay, same procedure use. Next, example number. This is homework. Example come third as a homework. So solve example number 4. 1502 divided by 24. Okay. So divisor is 24 and dividend is 1502. First decide where to start. So first 50 is less than 24 because there are not enough hundreds. So goes to tens place, that is 150. Okay, so 24 is less than 150, that is ones place, tens place. There are enough tens. Clear? First result of the question will be written about tens place. Okay, so here think 24 is a divisor and only consider 150, or only first digit of the divisor, that is 2, and here 15. Count the table of 2 up to 15. So 2 sevens are 14. Therefore the estimated quotient is very high. So adjust the quotient. So first check 24 7. 7 4s are 28. Okay, 7 4s are 28. Carry over 2. 7 2s are 14 plus 2, that is 16. But this quotient is very high. So adjust the quotient by trying one lower number. Okay, so estimated quotient is very high. Adjust quotient by trying one lower number. Okay, one lower number, that is 6. Okay, so 24 into 6, that is 6 4s are 24. Carry over 2. 6 2s are 12 plus 2, that is 144, and which is less than the product, that is 150. Okay, therefore the adjusted quotient is 6. Got it? Okay, so 24 6 the 144, subtract this 150 minus 140, 6. Okay, so next step is bring down. This is 24, 152, here 6, 144, 6, bring down the 2. Okay, now think 62 or 2 and 6. So 2 3 is 6. So estimated quotient is 3. So check 24 into 3, that is 72, and which is greater than 62. Now check next lower number, that is 2. 24 into 2, that is 48, and 48 is a less than 62. Means quotient is, adjusted quotient is 2. Okay, so 24 2s are 48. 4, borrow from this, that is 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, that is 14. Okay, so therefore quotient is equal to 62 and remainder is equal to 14. Clear? And remaining are 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th as homework. Okay, so solve first, second, third. Same solve 3rd, 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th as a homework. Okay, so we see next example. Okay, so next example, divide divide 920, divide 920 divide by 23. Okay, so here 23 920. Okay, so here 22 nines are. Okay, so first decide where to start. 23 and here 92 means there are enough tens place. So firstly the question will be written about tens place. Okay, first step is clear. Okay, so find out the estimate question. So that is 23 and 92. So only consider 2 and 9. So 2 fours are. So this estimated question, that is 23 into 4. 112, which is very high. So only adjust the question. So 23, we know that the 23 fours are 92. Okay, sorry. 23, so or 2, 9 is 2, fours are 8. Okay, so estimated quotient is 4. So check 23 into 4, that is 4 3 that 12, carry over 1, 4 2 8 and 9, 92, which is equal to the dividend. Okay, that is the estimated quotient or adjusted quotient is 4. Okay, so 23 4s are 92. Okay, easy example. So 92 minus 92, 0. So next, after bringing down, so next step is 92, 23, 9 to 0, so 4, 92, 0. So bring down to 0, but after bringing down the number which is less than divisor, then write the 0 in the question. Okay, we know that this concept. So here 0 after bringing down to 0, so 0 is less than 23. So first write the 0 in the question. Okay, so 0. The remainder is a 0 and quotient is a 40. Clear? So first 23 4s are 92. So quotient is 4. Okay, so after bringing down this number is less than divisor. So first write 0 in the quotient. Okay, so 40 is your quotient and remainder is your 0. Clear? Next example we see next lecture. Now stop here.